What's going on, world? George Kill here, and sorry, today I do not have a brand new episode of Royal Key there on your screen. I do have a few questions for you, a few announcements regarding the Koiski YouTube channel, and also I have a special little giveaway for one special viewer at the end of the video, so stay tuned. First off, I want to say thank you for everyone who has followed the YouTube channel over the years. We started in 2016. Thank you guys. We see every little comment that you guys leave. We see every little like. Special shout out to you. We're going to keep going. We have much more to do. Now, as far as the Royal Key series, I'm happy to let you guys know that we have tons more, and I mean tons more of Royal Key episodes coming. Mainly football. Football season is underway. And we also have some other sports. I want you to leave a comment in the comment section below, letting us know which other sports you'd like to see. Now, if you paid attention this summer, you saw we explored UT golf, we did Stanford baseball, Texas A&M baseball, Duke lacrosse, Boston College hockey. But let me know, like I said, in that comment section below, what other sports you would like to see. This channel is for you guys. We want to make sure that we do what you want to see. Now, something else coming down the pipeline. We have two brand new series. One is called Sports Dissected, and it's hosted by my guy, Leland Bruce. Sports Dissected gives you the behind the scenes of the creative process of everything that happens in sports. So without giving you too much, I'll let you know that one episode that we have coming up is with Riddell. Everyone knows Riddell. They're the company that makes the football helmets. They let Leland go behind the scenes of their two headquarters, one in Chicago, one in Cleveland, and create a football helmet from scratch. The process is amazing. It's something that we're so excited to share with you guys. It's gonna happen right here on this channel, and the result of that will be a giveaway, a Koiski branded helmet that we'll give away, so stay tuned. Another series that we have is called Saturdays. It's hosted by my guy Desmond Moore. It gives you the student point of view of some of the best tailgates, the best college games, the best food in these college towns, and the best nightlife, all on the day that every student fan loves, which is Saturday. Desmond actually filmed an episode, a test run last fall with Texas football. You can find it on the playlist Saturdays on the Koiski YouTube channel. So stay tuned for that. We have plenty of episodes coming for that. I know Texas A&M is one, Colorado football. That's also a Royal Key coming as well. So stay tuned for those two series. And last but not least, I have a special 3-piece apparel for University of Texas that we're giving away. This giveaway, all you have to do is two things. One, leave the comment that I mentioned earlier, telling us which sport outside of football and basketball you want to see. And after this video, go directly to our Instagram. That's instagram.com/Koiski Media, and check out the details. Just a little tidbit to leave you with. Next Thursday, we're coming out with our Miami football Royal Key. That's one of the most requested videos that you guys have been asking for. We're coming with the Miami football Royal Key Part 1.